Good morning, algebra. Got lesson 4-4 here. Gonna be doing 1 through 10 this morning, and our learning target is I can graph functions. So stick with me. Here's our first one. We have negative x plus 2 times y equals 6. We're gonna be solving for the domain, which is -4, -2, 0, and 2. And remember, domain is our x. So that's what we're gonna input. In order to solve this, we really want to get this into y equals mx plus b. In other words, we really want to solve for y. If you remember, y is our output. This is our input. So we have all this stuff next to y. We want to get rid of it. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of this x. We're going to put this over on the other side. So I'm going to rewrite this. Negative x plus 2 times y equals 6. We're going to add the x. We do it to one side. We have to do it to the other. Plus x. These cancel. We get 2y equals x plus 6, or 6 plus x. Now we have 2 times y, so we have to do the opposite. We got to divide by 2. We do it to one side, we have to do it to the other. Here, since they're opposites, we can't combine these. Not opposites, wrong word. Since we can't combine x and 6, we're going to divide this 2 by both of them. These cancel, and we end up with y equals x divided by 2, or 1/2 x is a better way to write that, plus 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So that's kind of the formula or function that we're looking at, where we're going to input something and get an output. Here's what we are going to input into this function. Here's our x's, and we want to know what the y is. Our x's are -4, -2, 0, and 2. And our formula is right there. Y equals -1/2 x plus 3. So we're going to take this x and plug it in there. So we have -4. We're going to get 1/2 times -4 plus 3. Well, -4 times 1/2 is the same thing as divided by 2. So -4 divided by 2 would be -2 plus 3, which would be 1. So that means our coordinates would be -4, 1 for this first one. Same thing here. We have 1/2 times -2 plus 3, 1/2 times 0 plus 3, 1/2 times 2 plus 3. Look at that beautiful handwriting. So -2 divided by 2 would be -1 plus 3, so that'd be 2. Anything times 0 is 0 plus 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 3 would be 4. And again, these are our coordinates. So we've done graphing before, just kind of taking it one step further. -4, 1 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. -2, 2, -2, up 2. 0, 3, 2, 3. And 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can draw a line representing that is our function. Same thing down here. We have 2x plus 1. So let's just graph this function. Luckily, this is already in y form, so we don't have to do any extra work. We don't have any domains or anything like that, so we're going to just pick some simple numbers and we're going to plug them in there. I usually start with positive numbers. The book recommends using negative numbers. I just would not. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to plug those in there. So when x is 1, 2, and 3, it's always good to do 0 too, but we didn't do that. So x would be 1. That would be y equals 2 times 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 would be 5. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 would be 7. So again, if I wanted to graph this, 2, 3, 5. Look at this just beautifully drawn proportional graph. Oh yeah. It would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, and 3, 7. And again, we would draw that and put that arrow through that. Again, you're doing 1 through 10 for lesson 4-4. I know the chapter 4 has been pretty tough. If you need my help, please reach out to me and we can do the lesson together. If not, reach out to your friends. As always, good luck.